Hello everyone, this is practice number 3 about how to draw in AutoCAD and how to use this software. Okay, let's start. This is our software and this is our file, PDF file, practice number 3. I hope you all have this file. Okay, just start drawing, and then I think as a last time it will be easier to put the sample file here in right side of our workspace, and right side we can draw. So I want to do like this. So just open the folder with a file and just drop it here, and I will, how can I say, mention one time. So before doing that, first of all open it and then check the size of the drawing. Like here is like 300 millimeters, so one of the biggest dimension is here, like 300 millimeters. So let's put this size on our workspace, 300 millimeters. Okay, this is our 300 millimeters, and just we will put this line here, right side, and then I can drop the file to left side. The page number 1 it's asking, so we will put page number 1, the point of start of sample file. Okay, the size of file, I think this is enough, so we have 2 files. So, and the rotation, the angle of file here. So the first file is here, we can just put it left side, and we don't need this line, and then put it comfortably. So let's start drawing. Before drawing, let's check our file first. Here now, how can we start? Let's start with these like big circles, and then join them. And as you can see, our file is like symmetric file. 2 horizontal and vertical sides are like symmetric. We can build like some part, and then we can just use mirror option, these 2, and then just, how can I say, make it very easy. Let's get started. I will put the first circle with like radius like 50 millimeters, this place. Second one, again, the second one is 60 millimeters, the radius. The third one, the biggest one, let's imagine it's like another circle, and then when we build this side, this curved line, we can just trim it and delete like extra side. Okay, let's build the biggest one, radius 75 millimeters, like this. Okay, let's put it a little bit closer. I think it will be comfortable. And then I recommend use this block, annotate block, and then put the center mark, the biggest one, the biggest circle, to mention this center line. And then we can just extend it maybe 200 millimeters. This one also 200 millimeters. It will be easy to draw this side with this like center mark, center line. So let's put the right side of our drawing, and then we can just mirror it. I will uh, do actions one by one, and then I hope you understand what actions actually what actions I use to finish the job. Okay, as you can see, the distance between these, like, center of these two circles are like so 300 millimeters. It means like this distance is like 150 millimeters. Let's build in this position these two circles. In this case we will use these two circles to check this point, to find this point, center of these circles. I will use this one, the temporary track point option. It's located in when you use like control button and then the right click of your mouse, and you can see this menu, and then just you can choose the first one and then click the center of our drawing. Move your mouse to left side and then just put like 150 millimeters. Now we are building our we are drawing our circles in 150 millimeters far from this center. Let's check the sizes. Sizes are, the smaller circle is 25 millimeters, the bigger one is like 40 millimeters. Let's start from smaller one, 25, and then the exact center, 40 millimeters. Okay, I think it's finished. And look, what will we do? Now we need to, how can I say, connect this part. As the last time, we should put the center mark here. It will be easy to understand that this circle's center, and it looks nice on our drawing. Like, I want to use this way to connect these circles. I will use snaps to find this point, and then I just in using line I will connect the first circle and this circle in this place like this. Then just stop the action with line, and let's put this stuff in downside of our circles. Now, as you mentioned here, where is it? On this one? No, it's off. When you're using like these kind of lines with like correct angle, it's better sometimes to use the ortho mode. You can use like F8 key button to on and off it. Okay, and then as you can see here is the radius of this side is 100 millimeters. Just you can use the trim option, trim tool, to build this place. Choose not trim, sorry, fillet option. Choose fillet, and then in this like command menu, choose radius, and then put radius. Our radius is 100 millimeters. I put it, enter, and then just select two lines to build ours like this. Done. Let's do this action downside. So easy and quickly we done. As you can see, we don't need this kind of line here, so we will use trim tool to lose these points. As I said, our detail is like symmetric detail, so now we can use the mirror tool to build this side of our detail, uh, or if you want to more practice, you can just do the same actions what we did here, but I wanted to use like mirror option. In this case, just using trim, I want to delete this part of our detail like this, and then using selection, I selected all the stuff in this place except this center mark, because we don't need to copy it. Like I selected necessary part of our drawing, choosing mirror, and then I will choose 2 points to build another side of our detail drawing. Erase source objects. No, we need like source objects as this side and this side, so we can say no. Done. If you want to decrease the size of this line, is also okay. Let's put it like 120. This side also 120. Done. It's nice. And then I think our drawing almost done. We just need to decorate it, put the dimensions, and then in this part let's use these options to make it a little bit nice. I want to choose all these like center marks and center lines, and then change the color to yellow color, and then it will be nice. I think sometimes if you want to use this form, it will be easy to distinguish like main lines from these kind of decorations. Okay, I hope you already know how to put dimensions in finished drawing, so it will be a little bit assignment for you. I think you will do it by yourself. Thank you for your attention.